Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League. You are not connected to Epic Games. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just open your Epic Games, click on your profile, sign out and sign in, and then go to settings, make sure this one is disabled, and now just open this one here, task manager, go to details, and now scroll down until you find Epic Games. Click on it like that, and then click set priority and click high, and now just that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.